works. Hi, I'm Nina Lovejoy. I am the Employment Services Program Manager at the Career Center here at MiraCosta College. I'm here with my colleague Erica today, and the two of us are going to take you through a quick tutorial on how to create a JAIN profile. JAIN is a shortcut for Job and Internship Network, and it's the system by which we offer all different kinds of opportunities to MiraCosta students who are looking for jobs, internships, and other opportunities both on and off campus. Erica is our JAIN specialist. She's the expert of all things JAIN on campus, and she's going to walk you through the first part.
Hi, my name is Erica Georgian, and as Nina mentioned, I am the Internship and Employment Technical Specialist. You can log into your JAIN account at miracosta.edu/JAIN, which will take you to the Career Center page on the MiraCosta website. You will then log into JAIN, which will then take you to your candidate registration page. This section takes about 15 minutes and allows you to fill out personal information as well as major and educational goals. Now I will take you to what it will look like after you complete the registration. It will take you to your page, and as I mentioned, this is where you will fill out your personal information, like your major, your educational goals at MiraCosta College, along with opting in to receive Career Center news and event emails. And filling out your profile as thoroughly as possible really allows us to connect you to great opportunities that apply to your major and educational goals. On the left-hand side, you will see shortcuts under your dashboard that take you to different sections in your JAIN account. Some important ones are things like cover letters and resumes, and this is where you can upload those documents and house several types of cover letters and resumes. We will now take you through a job search, and Nina will act as our student, and we can take you through how to complete a job search.
So today I'm acting in the alias as a JAIN intern, and let's say I'm a student who is a business major, so I might put in the keyword box business. Let's say I'm looking for a part-time job. You'll see here there's internships, full-time jobs, temporary, seasonal, different kinds of jobs, but we'll click part-time job in this particular example. We have paid and unpaid here because some of our internships are unpaid, but as somebody looking for a part-time job, I'd be looking for a paid opportunity. And of course, I'm looking for a job off campus in this case, but there are on-campus job opportunities available for you to investigate as well. So once you put in those criteria, it filters jobs for you. So you can look at the different kinds of jobs available. Let's look at the first one here, which is a marketing coordinator job. So as a business major, a marketing coordinator job might be interesting to me. It's at the Boys and Girls Club of Oceanside, and it'll give you a job description right up front that tells you a little bit about the job, kind of what types of duties you'd be expected to do. This one has quite a comprehensive list of different kinds of areas where you would be contributing to the organization, all different kinds of things, marketing, special events, website, other types of things. If you keep scrolling down, you'll see that there are in every job description a section about schedule, so how many hours are anticipated, and also the rate of pay, and then qualifications and skills, knowledge, that kind of thing that would be required to be a successful candidate for that particular job. It'll also give you information about the person who you'd be applying to, and at the very bottom, information about how to actually apply. So many of our posters will actually allow you to upload your resume right from JAIN and apply through the system. They would actually give then an alert to the person who's on the hiring end. You write it just like an email. So you'd put in a subject and a short message that tells a little bit about it. Also tells whether or not a cover letter is required. In this case, you do have to create a cover letter. So as Erica mentioned, you can have lots of different versions of your cover letter and resume, but only one can be active at a time. So you're going to use the active ones, make sure that they're active, and upload them so that you have the ability to then apply for that particular job.
Thank you, Nina. So this is a short tutorial on the basics of JAIN, but of course, if you have any more questions or any technical difficulties, you can connect with us by knocking the Career Peer door on the Career Center on the MiraCosta website. as you can ask any questions you would like there, but along with any kind of difficulties or questions you may have, you can also make appointments for career counseling, job search, mock interviews, help with your resume and cover letter, and internship information. You can ask any that you have. So you can reach us there, and you can also reach us by phone at the phone number listed.
So we look forward to connecting with you either on the phone or via chat, but most importantly on JAIN. We'll look for your profile, and I hope you'll continue to look through your emails when you click that connect with us box to be able to get alerted about internships, jobs, different kinds of on-campus opportunities, things that are relevant to your educational journey. We wish you the best of luck in your job search.
Bye.
Okay, I think that was